Currency, the grand mirage of mankind. Hello, visionary thinkers and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unraveling the complex fabric of society's greatest illusion and perhaps its most influential invention, currency. It's time to demystify the grand mirage of mankind. Before we move ahead, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on so that you won't miss out on another update. So, without further ado, let's get straight into this. In the bustling markets of ancient civilization, mankind embarked on a journey to create a system, an abstract concept that would revolutionize trade, relationships, and power structures, the invention of currency. But as we stand in an age where digital numbers on a screen dictate our purchasing power, we must ponder, how real is this reality? Let's talk about the first segment. In this segment, we aim to dissect the illusionary concept of currency, tracing its inception and evolution through time. Here, the historical facets of the currency system are brought to light, unfolding how society has gradually transitioned from tangible assets to mere representations of value. As we navigate the intricacies of the currency world, let's take a step back, a journey to its very origins, unveiling the layers that constitute this grand mirage. In the infancy of trade, the exchange was centered around tangible assets, things that held intrinsic value. Goods were exchanged for other goods or commodities like gold, silver, and precious stones, materials that bore worth in themselves. However, as societies grew more complex, the limitations of the system became apparent. Enter the era of representational value, where currency transitioned into tokens, coins, and eventually paper notes. These mediums bore value not in their material, but in the trust and agreement that they represented a certain worth. This transformation marked the inception of the Grand Mirage, a system anchored not in tangible assets, but in trust. Trust in governments, trust in institutions, and a communal agreement that these pieces of metal and paper hold value. The foundation of the modern economy were built upon this illusionary yet universally accepted concept. As we stand amidst towering skyscrapers and bustling cities, we realize that this mirage, this invention of currency, has not only facilitated trade, but has become a cornerstone of human civilization, a grand illusion that binds society in a complex yet seamless web of exchanges. Let's delve deeper into the digital age, a paradigm shift segment. In this segment, we explore humanity's leap from physical to digital currency, a shift that has significantly impacted the financial landscape and how we perceive value. The narrative will foster an understanding of digital currencies and the revolutionary change they bring to the economy, emphasizing their decentralized nature and the fluctuating value that forms the crux of the digital currency narrative. As we journey forward in time, we stumble upon a revolutionary chapter in the annals of currency, a period where the physical slowly began to fade, giving way to the digital frontier. In the not-so-distant past, a seismic shift occurred. The world witnessed the birth of digital currencies, intangible yet possessing value, stirring the traditional financial systems to their core. With the inception of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, we ventured into uncharted territories. These digital assets function on decentralized platforms, free from governmental control and traditional banking systems. It's not just a currency, but an ideology, a new philosophy of financial freedom and autonomy. In this digital arena, the concept of value has acquired a new dimension. Cryptocurrencies dance to a different tune, their value constantly changing, sometimes soaring to unimaginable heights, and at times plummeting into the abyss, governed by market sentiments and speculative trading. As we immerse ourselves in this digital age, we witness the evolution of the Grand Mirage into a virtual spectacle where value is perceived through codes and algorithms, creating a parallel universe where the intangible holds undeniable power and influence. As we stand at the cusp of this paradigm shift, we are left to ponder the mysteries and opportunities that lie within the digital domain. It beckons us to explore, to adapt, and perhaps to witness the unfolding of a new chapter in the saga of currency, a chapter penned in codes and reverberating in the virtual echoes of the digital sphere. The Psychology of Currency segment digs deeper into the underlying principles governing currency acceptance and functioning as a concept. This portion of the video will explore the intricate webs of beliefs and trusts that dictate the way society perceives and uses currency in various forms. Here, we attempt to unveil the mental and social frameworks that sustain the world of currency. As we delve deeper into the realms of currency, it becomes imperative to explore the underlying psychology that fuels this intricate system, a psyche woven from threads of belief, trust, and mutual agreements. At the heart of the currency lies a collective belief system, an unwritten agreement that bestows value upon pieces of metal, paper, and digital codes. This consensus binds communities and nations, creating a complex, yet fragile web of interdependencies. The currency world is anchored in trust, a faith in institutions, governments, and one another. This trust is what empowers currencies to function, facilitating transactions and exchange that form the backbone of modern civilization. Interestingly, the psychology of currency is a blend of rational calculations and emotional investments. People aspire to accumulate wealth, driven by a complex interplay of fear, greed, security, and aspirations, crafting narratives that transcend mere financial transactions. As we venture into behavioral economics, we find a rich tapestry of human behaviors and patterns that influence currency dynamics. From the rush of investments to the panic of market crashes, the currency becomes a mirror reflecting the pulse of society at large. In this grand currency narrative, the human element remains at the core. Our beliefs, trusts, and behaviors craft this evolving story, an intricate ballet where tangible meets the intangible, weaving the grand mirage that envelops humanity. Through this segment, the goal is to delve into the human psyche and its role in shaping the world of currency. We aim to foster a deeper understanding of the psychological elements at play, exploring how collective beliefs and trust systems influence and govern the functioning of currency across time and space. The narrative seeks to evoke a contemplative mood, urging viewers to ponder the intrinsic link between human behavior and the grand illusion of currency, nurturing a nuanced perspective on modern society's financial systems. In the Futures Prospects segment, we will traverse through the potential trajectories of currency in the years to come. By exploring nation technologies and shifting societal paradigms, we will delve into what lies ahead in the evolutionary journey of currency, mapping out the possible roads that this grand mirage might take in the future. As we stand at the crossroads of history and the future, we venture into the realm of speculation, a glimpse into the prospective avenues that the world of currency may embark upon in the coming years. The world of tomorrow is entwined with technological innovations. Blockchain technology, AI, and quantum computing stand as behemoths, ready to further transform their landscapes of finance and currency. These technologies promise to reshape the currencies and redefine principles that govern their functionalities. In a world gravitating towards sustainability, we may witness the emergence of currencies that mirror this ethos. Currency systems that are integrated with environmental sustainability, promoting green initiatives, and fostering a symbiotic relationship between economy and ecology. As we advance, the concept of community currencies might take a forefront, fostering localized economies and nurturing community bonds. These currencies, grounded in local values and needs, could potentially revolutionize the way we perceive value and exchange. The notion of a universal currency could gain traction in a world that is becoming increasingly interconnected. A currency that transcends borders and nations, facilitating a seamless and inclusive global economy, catering to the needs and aspirations of a global citizenry. As we venture into the uncharted territories, the grand mirage of currency stands as a fluid entity, ready to adapt and evolve, molding itself to the changing tides of time and human progress. As we stand at this juncture, one can only speculate and marvel at the infinite possibilities that lie ahead and the grand narrative of currency. Weaving through the potential technological advancements, and shifts in societal paradigms, we aspire to paint a vivid picture of the prospective avenues in the currency world. The narrative intends to evoke a sense of wonder and optimism, inviting viewers to ponder the myriad of possibilities and paths that the grand mirage of currency might traverse in the years to come, fostering a forward-looking perspective that is grounded in innovation, inclusivity, and sustainability. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the annals of currency, the grand mirage of mankind. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the fascinating world surrounding us. Until next time, keep questioning, keep wondering.